Let's go to the top and bottom rules. Here, top 10 items. Let's select top 10 items, go to the conditional formatting and go to top 10 rules, top 10 items. So you can see all of our items, because we only have 10 items. So all the items, the Excel is understanding that those are top 10 items. Let us make it 5. So now the 5 top items being selected by the conditional formatting. Top 10 percentages. Let's go to conditional formatting, top 10 percentage. So from top 10 percentage, we have only 1000 value here. So it is being selected by this conditional formatting. Let us change top 20 percentage. So we are getting 2 values here. Let us select 30 here. So we are getting 3 values, top 30 percentages. We can just change the color for easy understanding. Bottom 10 items, because we have only 10 items in our, we have 10 cells, so it will select all the 10 items. As you can see here, it's all red, 5 items, so it will give us the conditional formatting in bottom 5. Let us go to bottom 3 so that we can easily able to identify it. Now we can go to bottom 10 percentages. Let's select our cells, go to bottom 10%. So bottom 10% with light red. So let's suppose we need bottom 20. So it is selecting the second one. So let us go to bottom 50. These are all the conditional formatting which you can apply day to day in your life, in your work, in your assignments, so that you can easily able to present your data. Let's go to above average. Now for above average, first I want to tell you that in the last video we have taken out the average from the formula, but in Excel, if you select some numeric values, if you come down here on the right bottom, you will see already Excel is calculating the average for the selected cells. So average is 550, count is 10, and sum is 5500. These 3 items are always available for the selected items. So our average is 550. Let us go to conditional formatting and we'll say above average. So light red, we can change the color to yellow. So now you can see our average is 550. So above 550, it is showing us a conditional formatting and it is selecting the values which is above 550, that is our average. Now go to the below average. As you know, our average is 550. We will go to the below average, and so it is selecting below 550, which is here 550. Below 550, it is selecting all the numbers, all the cells. With we can change the color to green. I hope you are understanding the top and bottom rules. Let's go down to data bars without wasting any time. So data bars, we have gradient fill, solid fill, color scale. So within the cell you will get a data color. Let's explore it. So data bars, in the home tab, go to conditional formatting, data bars, and you can select gradient fill. Gradient means you have a color which is coming as a gradient. So you can select any color, whichever you want, whichever you like. Let's suppose this. So it is giving us the data bar according to the value in the cell. So 1000 value means it is giving us the full data bar. 100 value means it is giving us a 1/10 portion of the cell. Let us go to the solid fill, and solid fill will give you a solid color. That's all. Let us go to the color scale. So color scale is a very good option, but it's not being used mostly in Excel. In thermal imaging, you can see those color scales. I'll explain you in a short time. You can see this. There are so many options for color scaling. So high to low, low to high, whatever you want to see. That's not very much used in Excel data, but in thermal imaging in mechanical workshops, you can see those color scales. Let us keep this color as color scale. So the most value giving you a complete red color, and as the value is going down, you can see the color is becoming white. Let's go down to icon sets. So let's select the cells. Go to so we have a directional settings here. So conditional formatting, icon sets, and so we have so many directions here, and you can see those directional arrows in foreign exchanges or in stock markets. You can see those arrows. Let's try any of these. You can see as we are moving our mouse, you are getting different kind of arrows. Let's try this one. Now we can go to shapes, conditional formatting, icon sets, and shapes. You can select any shapes from here. Let's go to indicators. You can, so this is a flag system. You can select any indicators from here. I like this one, so let's select this one. Let's go to the ratings. So you can see, as you can see in your mobiles, you are getting Wi-Fi or tower signals like this one. So let's select this one. So now you can see that we have covered up so many conditional formattings. I mean we have completed all the conditional formattings which are available in the Excel. So we have checked highlight cell rules, greater than, less than, date occurring, top bottom rules, data bars, and icon sets. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and just in the last I want to tell you, if you want to clear your formatting, just go to the conditional formatting option, and from the clear rules you can clear rules for the selected cells or clear rules for the entire sheet. For this option, clear rules for the selected cells, you have to first select those cells, and then you have to come up here, and then you have to clear rules from the selected cells. So this is all for today. Stay tuned and keep watching my videos. Goodbye.